Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to on app notification in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on guys app notification in Vivo phone. So guys, you can on your app notification in Vivo phone. And guys, now let's see how to on app notification in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you on your app notification. So friend, first of all, come in your phone setting to on app notifications. Guys, click on this notification setting. Guys, click on app setting and guys click on most recent. So then guys, you can see guys your all apps. So it's all apps. So which app notification guys you want to on guys, like easy guys, Facebook, and guys files notification guys, Gboard notification guys, Gmail, Google Play Store, like Instagram notification guys, you can on from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notifications in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.